Hey, welcome back to No Guess, No Noise. Assalamualaikum, I am Haikal, your moderator for today's episode. I am pleased to be alongside my partner, Mr. AIDIL.
Hi, I am AIDIL.
Today, we are diving deep into Tesla, the company that has revolutionized the automotive industry with electric vehicle and cutting-edge tech. Study made by the International Energy Agency, Tesla battery technology is a key factor in making electric car more affordable in the next decade. This episode adopt a unique perspective. Instead of merely concentrating on Tesla car and the latest tweet from Elon Musk, we will explore a more comprehensive analysis.
We will examine the data and research that highlights Tesla's significant impact on the automotive industry and beyond. By diving into the insight, we aim to provide a clear understanding of how Tesla shaped market trends, consumer behavior, and the future of electric vehicles.
And we are not doing this alone. We got full squad with us today. Mr. ANIQ, as Senior Market Research Analyst, who's going to walk us through some of the research behind Tesla rise. Ms. FAZREEN, as Business Intelligence Manager, who is diving into the data collection, how we measure Tesla market impact. Ms. Nick, as Electric Vehicle Industry Strategist, who will break down the analysis of Tesla trends and industry shift. Ms. Alya, as Electric Vehicle Policy and Regulatory Affairs Manager, who will focus on policy recommendation, what's needed for the future of EV, and how we can push the envelope. So, let's dive into Tesla revolution, the data behind the hype, and what's next for the electric vehicle world.
Alright, let's start with the foundation research data. Tesla's success didn't just happen overnight, and a lot of people have been making deep dive into what makes the company tick. May you share your thought, ANIQ?
Thank you, AIDIL. This research focused on analyzing Tesla's corporate report, particularly its carbon dioxide emission disclosures. Tesla was selected because it is one of the most prominent brands in the global shift toward electric vehicle. By 2020, electric vehicle sales had reached 3 million units globally. From an environmental perspective, EVs offer advantage due to lower emission. However, the transparency of emission reporting and compliance with international standards remain open to question. Next, this study analyzes Tesla's carbon dioxide emission reporting based on corporate report and international sustainability standards. With Model 3 production rising sharply from 2017 to 2021, well-to-wheel emissions are significantly affected. Lastly, Tesla carbon dioxide emission disclosures lack full transparency and do not entirely meet international sustainability standards. We are talking about some cutting-edge research by Vic, Suta, and Tus from 2022.
Love that. Now, digging into data collection. Tesla been a trailblazer in how they gather insight into everything from driving behavior to production efficiency. Will you explain more, FAZREEN?
Okay, let's talk about Tesla for a bit. Most of us know Tesla for their smart, self-driving cars. But what people don't realize is Tesla can collect a huge amount of data from their cars. In fact, they probably collect more than any other car company out there. Every Tesla is packed with cameras and sensors. They are always on. They are watching the road, observing how you drive, where you headed, and when you turn on features, which is autopilot. And most of that information gets sent back to Tesla servers. especially if you are in accident or when you connect to Wi-Fi. Now here's the cool thing. Even when you're driving, Tesla Autopilot is working behind the scene in the background. It's shadow mode. It watches how you drive and how it would have driven. And if there's a difference, it saves that moment to enhance the system later. So even when you're driving, the car is still learning. Tesla is at the leading edge of technology, no doubt about it. But from now on, they just need to be more open and direct in how they use our information and do to protect individuals' privacy.
Now, let's talk about data analysis. Numbers are one thing, but what does analysis of Tesla data really tell us about the industry and their position in it?
Let us do a quick SWOT analysis of Tesla environmental efforts by looking at their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Tesla's big mission is to speed up the world movement to clean energy. They lead in electric cars, batteries, and solar energy. Since they make a lot of their stuff, they can control how green their process is. Plus, they promise to be carbon neutral in the future, which sets a great example. Now, the weaknesses. Making batteries use a lot of energy and recycling them is still a big challenge. Also, Tesla isn't always fully open about the environmental impact of their factories and suppliers, which they need to improve. For opportunities, there's a lot of room to grow. Tesla can lead in battery recycling technology and keep expanding its solar and energy storage business. Government incentives and climate-friendly policies are on their side too. If they improve how they get materials and clean up their supply chain, it will make them even stronger. Then the threats. New rules and regulation could make things pricier. The supply of raw materials is sometimes shaky, and other car companies are quickly joining the electric car race. And because Tesla image is so tied to being green, any environmental mistake could be a big problem.
Love that breakdown. And finally, let's have Alya talk about policy recommendation. The future of Tesla and EV isn't just about the company itself, it's about the policy that support the industry growth.
First, on environmental impact, Tesla should invest more in green battery recycling and make its production even more energy efficient, using more solar and renewable energy. A strong sustainability system can help the company stay transparent and build trust with the public. Based on a study done by Chun in 2021, this system can effectively demonstrate business transparency, thereby having a significant and positive impact on environmental issues and brand trust. Second, Tesla's social performance matters too. This means supporting employees with development opportunities, promoting diversity, and creating a positive workplace culture. I read research by Babalola in 2020. He stated that these measures can motivate employees to contribute more to the company's long-term success. Third, mechanical reliability is a growing concern. Tesla has faced several recalls which hurt its reputation. To fix this, Tesla should improve quality control, prioritize safety, and communicate better with customers. In summary, by focusing on these areas, environment, social impact, reliability, governance, and supply chain, Tesla can not only improve its performance, but also strengthen its reputation as a leader in sustainability and innovation.
Tesla has led mainstream adoption of electric vehicles and advanced technology, data use, and sustainability. Through research and bold market initiative, Tesla has influenced global electric vehicle trends. However, effective policies and collaboration across sectors are crucial for accelerating the transition to an electric future.
Awesome insight all around. We have covered a lot today, from research and data to policy recommendation. We look forward to diving deeper into this captivating universe next time, bringing you even more insight and discoveries. Stay tuned for what's to come. Until then, stay curious, stay charged up, and we will catch you in the future. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Drinking dope, turn me to a superhero. Yeah, yeah. Hit that pill, turn me to a superhero. Yeah. From my 90s, turn me to a